I've now connected a few things up. Let's just see what we can see underneath. That's where the analog phone line connection goes. That one is for the handset, power and Ethernet. The only reason I've connected the Ethernet for now is I know that it does a firmware update. I'm not going to set up any IP phone service just yet because I think I'll be able to manage on the analog phone line mostly. So I'm going to now go and plug in the power and see what happens. So this is a phone that you have to wait for it to boot up, but hopefully the other features will make up for that. Would you like help setting up your phone? Yes. Start IP installation wizard. I'm going to say no for now because I don't want to set up the SIP service. End wizard, yes. Register a handset. So this will be for setting up a decked handset. Now I have got one which I bought to go with this. This can go in another room, but I'm not going to set that up yet. Assign connections to desk phone, int 1. Okay, I think yes. So int 1, which is this base phone, received calls for fixed line and Gigaset.net, whatever that is, presumably some service that Gigaset offer. So we'll say OK to that, and it sends calls with the fixed line, so it's detected that I've connected the analog fixed line. Okay, assign connections to answering machine 1. I don't really want an answering machine, but maybe that's useful. So now the answering machine receives calls from the fixed line. There's 3 answering machines on this phone, and you can have it set up so that if you've got different numbers for the IP service or for ISDN, which it also supports, you can have different numbers go to different answering machines. Let's say OK. Assign connections to answering machine 2. No, no. So 1 answering machine will be enough. Thank you for now. Setup complete. Okay, and this is the home screen, presumably. Let's pick up the handset. And I have a dialing tone. That's good. And if I press this, I have a dialing tone on the speaker. That all works as expected, and it seems like there's an answer phone message, so let's see what happens.
Mailbox 1. You have no messages.
Okay, maybe that symbol just means that the answering machine is turned on. And then we're back to this. Now, one other thing is I bought a cheap and cheerful WANTech headset. It has a 2.5mm plug which fits into the side of the phone somewhere. So let me open this. So here is the cheap and cheerful headset. No Plantronics luxury for me. There we go. And I think this plugs in one side or the other. Yes, here. Now it's a bit awkward because this is an L-shaped connector and the phone isn't really designed to take an L-shaped connector. But hopefully it will. Still seems quite solid. So I will now listen on here. And well, there's no headset button set up, so I'm gonna have to read the manual because it's not a Bluetooth headset, it's wired. Again, it supports Bluetooth headsets, but for now we just want it to be guaranteed to work, no reliability issues, no batteries going flat, anything like that. Maybe we'll play with Bluetooth headsets later on. The manual's pretty good, it's all in English, and I will go and figure out which buttons to press and then I'll set up the headset button.